Well, hello and welcome to Morning Coffee with Maddog Merv. We have a little lull in the weather, so I'm going to sit out here and enjoy my coffee, and let's see what's going on the channel, shall we? Welcome to Morning Coffee.
Maddog Merv today.
Got our French roast this morning again. I wonder I'm a big fat guy. I mean, holy cow. I always had a schmear. A schmear.
So he's probably going for bagels. He's trying to steal.
Oh my gosh, I can't even believe it.
I have no clue.
And I got a bunch of chores to do. Oh, who wants to do that? So today's shout out goes to, it's called Jumping Kamikaze. Not sure if that's the name of the channel or just the video. Looks like the name of the channel, but this this video I've watched a few times this week has a lot to do with the project we're doing tomorrow. So I'll put a link in the description. You'll want to check it out, Jumping Kamikaze. I hope that landing gear tutorial was helpful. I know that, excuse me, some folks had asked for it, and I thought, well, yeah, I've been doing this for years, and sometimes I forget that what is just natural for me, I had to learn at one point in time. And there's a lot of folks that have to learn, you know, they're always learning. So hopefully that's something that you got something out of, because I hate putting an airplane down and it wobbles, you know, or a car. That's even worse. Trying to get everything aligned and, you know, fit right and whatnot sometimes is a little bit of a chore versus just throwing something together. So anyway, I hope you folks got something out of that. And let's see, what did we do? Oh, we did the 56 Chevy on the on the stash. That ought to be a fun kit to build. Nice and quick and easy build. Those old monogram kits, they really are classics for a reason. They're not classic because they're bad. They're classic because they put in pretty good detail. They're fun to build. They're not overly complicated. They turn out a really nice product. So just have to decide a color on it eventually, and at some point in time get it painted up. So coming up tomorrow, we will be talking about something really weird. Well, weirder than normal. This is something that's in the Nevada desert. It's the Nevada test site. The old nuclear test site. I can't remember what they call it now, like national security site or something, but it's where we did all the above ground, not all, but most of the above ground nuclear tests back from the 1960s on into the 90s. And there's some interesting things out there, and how some time ago I had seen a picture or video about this subject that we're going to do tomorrow. And it's neat, it's unique, it's interesting, it's intriguing, and then I kind of forgot about it. As I have been working on the ships the last few weeks, I've been watching a lot of course, ship videos. Drakkenifel has been pretty much the staple, but there's a few others, the Operations Room and Dark Seas, that I've been checking out a bunch of stuff. Well, this thing popped up again. Oh yeah, I forgot all about that. So I decided I had to have a model of it, and I just happened to have a leftover piece from one of the recent ship kits. So yes, there's a piece of a ship in the middle of the desert in Nevada. That much I will tell you. And the history behind it is just absolutely amazing. It's an incredible story. Share my version of it with you. There are other channels out there that have covered it and covered it really well, particularly this Jumping Kamikaze. That's he really covers it well. So I'm not going to try and go into that kind of detail, and I'm just going to tell you a little bit of the story, and I build a model of it. And we'll share that. We'll share that with you. So check tomorrow out for sure. We will have something on the stash. I'm just not sure what. I did some cleaning out. I found some things. and I got a bunch of stuff to review. So let's just say we will have a show this Thursday. I'm just not sure what we'll be reviewing. Yes, you heard right, cleaning out. Like I do every spring, come in here and I get cleaning out and organizing. Because during the winter, I don't do that. It's just too cold. Even though I've got a space heater, that warms my space. That doesn't warm this whole place. So usually by springtime, the place is just a mess, cluttered, and you guys have seen it in the videos, so I cleaned it out. I had Finley in here the other day, and he was sitting on my lap. We were watching a show on the TV, and it dawned on me, hey, he loves trains. I really need to get his little N-scale train that I got him a while back. I got from a friend of mine a while back, and I need to get it going. So I cleaned out, and I put up a bunch of stuff for sale here locally. Some things I just gave to Goodwill because, you know, I just couldn't sell them, and, you know, don't want them around anymore. I just don't have that much room. So anyway, I got some things cleaned out. I found a few kits that, you know, haven't reviewed yet, so we'll do that. But I've also been working on that USS Guam, and it's coming along great. Actually, this Hobby Boss kit, it does have 4 frets of photo etch in it, but the way that it's incorporated in the kit, it's not been labor intensive like so many of the other photo etch sets that I use. It's actually pretty decent. And it's, how can I put it? The photo etch hasn't been overly a pain, I guess is a good way of putting it. So anyway, I've been doing a lot of painting on it. We'll bring you up to date on that one soon, and it is looking pretty good. What else did I do? Oh, this project for tomorrow. I did build that this week. You'll see that. So it's been a busy time. Lots of good stuff going on. This place that we're gonna look at, this thing we're gonna look at, excuse me, tomorrow, is on the Nevada test site. And I did some digging and found out that once a month they have a tour out there. If you go out there when you're not supposed to, deadly force is authorized, and they can and will shoot you if you don't get off the land, you know. The rumors are true about Area 51 as far as security. Yeah, they mean business. But they take once a month, they load up a bus of people and take them out there. It's a several-hour excursion to go around the Nevada test site and look at some of the different things. But different videos that you see of, wow, train's coming. Some of the videos you see of atomic tests here in the United States, most of those occurred right out there, and that's what, 7-8 hours from here. It's not that far. It's an hour or so outside of Las Vegas. So anyway, when I go down there, probably May, I'm going to see if I can get a tour. So I'm going to work on that, because I think that would be a lot of fun to actually go to the place where I'm going to show you guys tomorrow. So, all right, well, I think I'm about done with my coffee. I'm going to get back to doing the stuff I was doing. You guys have a great weekend, and we will see you tomorrow for the what in the heck is this thing in the desert. Bye-bye.